Create a treasure trove to supersize and grow your business. Can you create a treasure trove in order to help grow and build your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our financial related idiom today is treasure trove. A treasure trove is, of course, a treasure that's lost. It comes from it's the Anglo equivalent of a Latin legal term that means a treasure that anyone finds, specifically gold, silver, bullion, plate, or hidden and whose ownership is unknown. Or it can mean a valuable discovery, resource, or collection. Books are considered treasure troves of knowledge and information. So my question today is it possible for us to create a treasure trove or to be a treasure trove for the people that we serve as we're building and growing and supersizing our business? What treasures, what gifts, what problems and solutions are we offering to people? Oh, well, we don't want to create more problems for them, but what solutions to problems that they already have are we creating that they can come to us for, that they will seek out and look for us? Because a treasure trove is something people go out looking for, right? People, look at all National Treasure and all the great treasure hunting movies. People want to find a treasure. People love to share treasures, right? They like to find a treasure or a great experience or a great business, and they talk about it to their friends, right? Word of mouth advertising is still, hundreds of years later, if not thousands of years later, the best form of publicity, the best form of recognition. It's the best way to get the word about your business out there. So we want people to seek us out. So what is it that our business can offer to people that will have them coming to us? What is your gift to the people that you serve and to the world, right? I think that most of us are in business to make the world a better place, not just to make a living and to get by, but to have a positive impact with our lives and our businesses, especially if we're growing and supersizing it. We want to make the world a better place. I personally believe that entrepreneurs and business owners are the true creators of increase, creators of value in the universe. Governments like to claim that they are, but really governments just are kind of like Robin Hood. They take resources from one spot and they spend it on another. And sometimes they create resources. So share in the comments below, just one thing. What is your thing, your treasure, your solution, the thing that people come to your business for? Because if you build on that, that is a source of your advantage, your competitive advantage in the marketplace. So curious, your experience with this particular idiom, treasure trove? I've heard treasure trove a lot. My ex-husband used to joke and tease me about having hidden treasures all the time. And so I had treasures that were always hidden about my house and life. And he would always call it, when he'd find or discover something he didn't realize I had gotten, a hidden treasure, Oh, here's another hidden treasure, which he meant really sarcastically, but I still can laugh about it now. So what hidden treasure, and don't be a hidden treasure if you want to supersize and grow your business. What treasures and what benefit are you bringing to the people that you serve? Because that's what we want to build on. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another financial related idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it and apply it to growing and building your business right now? Have a great day.